In this lecture, you will learn how to enumerate users. In user enumeration, we have different methods such as error-based testing, guess username, automated enumeration, and wordless attack. First, let's see what is error-based testing. So in this, we try to find valid usernames by intentionally causing errors in a system and seeing how it responds. For example, if a system gives different error message when you enter a correct username versus an incorrect one, you can use these messages to figure out valid usernames. Let's see it practically. Just to demonstrate this, I'm using Pentest Lab GitHub. You can clone this repository from this. Just click on this code and then you can clone it. Okay. After that, you just change your directory to cd pentest lab. And after that, just type ls and then cd pentest lab.sh. Okay. And then list. Or if you want to check the help page, just type --help. Okay. This is going to show you the help page of it. Next is here you can see if you want to list all available projects, just type list. Okay. List. So this is going to show you all this pentest applications. So we're going to start this one. So you can start it, just type start and this vulnerable WordPress. Okay, so this is going to start this vulnerable WordPress. If you want to check the status of it, just type bash pentestlab.sh and then status. So you can see it is running at this web link. Okay, then open this link. Or you can copy this. So you can see it is running, right? Now just click on login. So I have created the account. Okay. So let's see what is the first method. The first method is error-based testing. So what is error-based testing? We'll try different usernames, okay, and see where we are getting the error. So we'll try the test as username and test as password, and then we will click login. So here it is giving us this error, invalid username, right? So this username is not valid. So let's try the username which is valid. So we'll try this username, test1. That's a valid username, okay? So now it is giving us this error. The password you entered for this username test1 is incorrect. So from here we got to know that test1 username exists, right? If you try some other usernames like test site fun a, this is also a valid username. Okay, so this is also going to give the same error. The password you entered for this username is incorrect. So we got the usernames, right? So in this way you can get usernames using this technique, the error based technique. Next we have is guess username technique. So in this technique we tries to figure out a valid username based on common names, patterns, or information about the system or the user. For instance, if you know someone's name is John Smith, you might guess that the username could be J Smith or John.Smith. So that's a guess username technique. Next we have is automated enumeration. This involves using a tool to systematically search for valid usernames on a system automatically instead of manually trying. Let's see this practically. Guys, for this we're going to use a tool WP scan. If you want to check the help page of this tool, just type WP scan --help. This is going to show you the help page of this tool. Okay, next how you can use this tool, just type WP scan -URL and then provide the URL of the website. In my case, this is the URL. Okay, and I want to enumerate all the users, so I'm using this -e option, -e and u. Okay, this is gonna enumerate all the users of this website. Just hit enter. So this is gonna show you all the users of this website. So you can see a user is test site -1a and second one is test1, right? So this is how it works. Last one we have is wordless attack. In this method, an attacker tries list of common usernames to attempt to gain access to a system. So in this attack, we're going to try a list of usernames for doing the user enumeration. So guys, first start your burp suite. After starting the burp suite, just open the browser, click here, open browser, and then here just open the site. Okay, so in my case, I'm using this WordPress site. Okay, then click login. Okay, and enter any wrong username and password. So I'm entering test and test as username and password. Next, on your intercept and then click login. Okay, after that select this username, okay, or send this request and then send this request to intruder. After sending this request to intruder, click this and then clear all. Just click here, clear dollar, and select this username. Okay, then add dollar, and next is payloads. So guys, here you can add the payloads, the list of usernames. You can load from the word list. Okay, here you can list the word list, or you can add it manually. Like if you want to add the username as test, you can add test and then click add. Okay, next if you want to add test one, just write. So guys, here I've added some usernames, and then click start attack. Okay, and then you can see the payload. It is drawing all the usernames and showing you the length of it, right? So guys, if you get the major difference in the length, that username should exist. So here you can see, here you are getting the major difference, right? So this test one username exists, and the next one is test site 1a. This one also exists. If we try this one, test site and then 1a. Okay, and just enter any wrong password. Okay, first we'll off the intercept. Just go to proxy, off the intercept, and then write test site 1a. Okay, and password anything. So you can see the password you entered is incorrect. So it means this username exists. So this is how you can find or enumerate the users.